Today I have a beautiful new pattern for you. I'll be demonstrating how to make it as well as all the different ways that you can wear it. And I'll be giving away a full set of our brand new signature fingering yarn. This pattern is by Johanna Huck and it's called Embrasser, which means embrace. And I think that's the perfect name for it because this little Bolero shrug is gonna wrap you in a warm hug. First of all, I love the body stitch on this pattern. It looks like a beautiful little diamond lattice. And if you can work single crochets, double crochets, and chains, you can definitely make this. And it's nice and light and airy, so it's wonderful for warmer temperatures. So you'll start by working the body, which is just a rectangle. And then you're gonna pick up in the round for the cuffs. And then the sleeves are actually a beautiful crochet rib that you work back and forth. And then depending on the length you make this, you can wear it in all kinds of different ways, which I'm going to be showing you soon. We used our brand new signature fingering yarn to make this, and if you look closely, you can see all of the colors have blue linen running throughout. We had the linen dyed our signature aqua blue color, which you know I love, which represent our values. We wanted this yarn collection to be a beautiful expression of our journey as a company. All the different colors in the collection represent our journey from Alaska all the way down here to Charlotte, and the blue represents our values of positivity and joy. So this yarn is a lovely blend of linen, mulberry silk, and baby alpaca. It's squishy and soft and luscious against the skin, and I hope you love working with it. You can get the yarn and download the pattern at expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, go ahead and sign up for email updates, and we will send you weekly free knit and crochet patterns. Here's how you make this shrug. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a chain 15 so I can show you a repeat of the pattern. And we are doing a giveaway today for a full set of this beautiful new signature fingering yarn. So to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting us know your favorite color. For the setup row, you're going to start by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to repeat across your row, chain 2, skip 2, 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when you're one stitch to the end, go ahead and work a single crochet and then a chain 2 and turn. For row 1, you're going to start by working a double crochet into the very first stitch. Then you're going to repeat across your row, chain 1, skip 1, 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, then chain 1 and skip 1. Then in the chain 2 space, you're going to work a double crochet V. So double crochet V is a double crochet, a chain 1, and another double crochet, and it looks like a little V. So you'll continue repeating that across, chain 1, skip 1, 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, skip 1, and then when you get all the way to the end, you're just going to work a double crochet into the last stitch, a chain 2, and turn. For row 2, you're going to start with 2 double crochets into the very first stitch, 1 and 2. Then you're going to work a chain 1, skip 1 single crochet and work a single crochet into the next one, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and you're going to work 5 double crochets into the double crochet V from the row below. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it looks like a little shell. Then you're going to chain 1, skip 1 single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and when you get to the end, you're going to work 3 double crochets into the final stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1 and turn. For row 3, you're going to start with 3 single crochets, 1, 1 in the next, 1 in the next, so there's 3. Then repeat across your row, chain 2, skip this one, then you're going to work 5 single crochets, 1 each into the double crochets from the row below. 3, 4, and 5. So chain 2, skip 1. So here we are at the end. When you get to the end, you're going to work your chain 2 and skip 1, then you're going to work a single crochet into each of those final 2 stitches. And then chain 1 and turn. For row 4, you're going to start with a single crochet into the first stitch, then chain 1, skip 1, and work a double crochet V into the chain 2 space. So a double crochet V is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And it should look like a little V. Then chain 1, skip 1, and work 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 1, skip 1, double crochet V into the chain 2 space. Chain 1, double crochet. Then chain 1, skip 1, and when you get to the end, you're going to work 2 single crochets. 1 and 2, and then a chain 1 and turn. Row 5 starts with a single crochet, then chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and you're going to work 5 double crochets into the double crochet V from the row below. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, work a single crochet into the next stitch, and continue repeating that. Chain 1, skip 1, 5 double crochets into the double crochet V from the row below. There's 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, and when you get all the way to the end, you're going to work a single crochet into the final stitch, chain 1, and turn. For row 6, you're going to start with 6 single crochets. So single crochet into the first single crochet, and then 1 into each of these 5. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you're going to repeat across your row, chain 2, skip 1 single crochet, and work 5 single crochets into the double crochets from the row below. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when you get down and you just have 1 stitch remaining, go ahead and work a single crochet into that, chain 2, and turn. So here's our cute little swatch. You can see our beautiful little shell stitches and how nice and easy that was to work. Then you're going to continue repeating rows 1 through 6 as mentioned in the pattern, or until you like the size of the body. Once you finish the rectangle of the body, you're going to fold the short end and work a few rounds in the round, and then you're going to work a nice long chain for the sleeves, and then back and forth with some beautiful single crochet rib joining when you come back around. Now that you've made it, I'm going to show you all the different ways you can style it. The pattern recommends that you make the body part 1.8 times your bust circumference. This one wasn't made in my size, so these styles will be a little loose on me, but it will give you an idea of how it can be worn. You can also make the body shorter and just wear it as a normal shrug. Just make it so that your arms slip right into the sleeves. Or you could leave the sleeves off entirely and just make this as a rectangular shawl. The first way you can wear it is just like a scarf. Just put it around your neck and just wear it like you would any normal scarf. The second way to wear it is to wrap it around your shoulders, and then you're going to cross it in the front. So pull one side over to the opposite side and slip your sleeve on. Grab the other part and go ahead and slide it on your other arm. The third way to wear it is to cross it over your shoulders, but backwards, and then you're going to go ahead and cross it in the back. Pop your sleeve in, then take the other side, pull it across, and go ahead and put your second sleeve on. Another way to wear it is to wrap it under your arms, and you're going to cross it in the front and then slide each sleeve on and pull them up over your shoulders. And another way to wear it is to wrap it across your chest, under your arms, go ahead and cross it in the back, and then slide your sleeves on. Then just go ahead and pull it up over your shoulders. So there you have it, a cute little shrug, bolero, scarf, shawl pattern. And if you think of other ways to wear it, definitely drop us a comment, as we would love to know. Have an amazing week. Remember to stay true to your dreams and values, because your dreams have worth and they deserve to come true. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with another new pattern.